Here is how to make this super popular and yummy air fryer baked oats recipe. Crack 1 egg into a mixing bowl and add half a cup of milk of your choice. Give it a good mix until well combined and add a 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup. Then add 1 mashed ripe banana and mix it up till well combined. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, and give everything a good mix. Now add 1 cup of rolled oats and half a cup of mixed dried fruits, nuts, or seeds, and give it a final mix. Then pour the oat mix into a heat-proof cup or a small cake tin. You can spray the cup with a little cooking oil or rub it with some butter beforehand to prevent any sticking later. Air fry the oats at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for about 13 to 15 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. If you liked this air fryer baked oats recipe, then check out also how I make this crusty and soft 4-ingredient air fryer bread. Check it out now.